let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need, so let's talk about love.
Good morning, world, and welcome to another vlog that I haven't done in 5 years. And
No!
He's complaining. By the way, I'm not naked. I'm wearing a shirt. It's just strapless. It's fine. Today's a very exciting day because I'm getting a motorcycle helmet.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah.
And then we're gonna do some fun adventuring with Randonautica, which, if you don't know what that is, neither do I. So we'll find out together. And then we're gonna do fun stuff like go to the beach.
What's up, guys? I'm also here. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. I got this cute outfit. She's cute. I look so pale on camera. I promise I'm not this pale. And in case you're wondering, this messy place we are in is our home. Yes, I've moved to Rotterdam. Here I am, living the big city life.
Rotterdam.
Rotterdam! Alrighty. Apartment tour may come soon. Not really sure when, but it might come soon. Now I'm just waiting for Slowpoke over here.
Yo, I'm gluing shit.
I will update you guys when we get to the shop we are going to. It's not focused.
Crash through the door. Hello, my lady.
Thank you, sir. Last weekend wasn't, well, not last weekend. Was it last weekend?
Last weekend.
Last weekend we bought a scooter. Okay, he bought a scooter. Now we have a scooter to go out and about on and ride and stuff. There's
And the best part of it is you don't have to wear a helmet on this one. Because it has a blue plate. You ordered a scooter ride? Look at the speed, look at the magnificent speed. Life of the big city, bitch.
So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway, leading nowhere.
See the skyline now. The air quality is so bad.
I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in
The
space,
White House.
but
The
you
White House of
pulled
Rotterdam.
me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know
Look
it.
where we are.
You're making me wholehearted.
Ik ben op zoek naar een helm. De Scorpion.
Ik heb deze met touwprintjes, de rols erin.
Dat is al een zwart met roze.
Ja, met een rol streepje erin. Ja, dat is die 390, die heb ik net verkocht.
Oh echt? Dat meen je niet.
Stond hier.
Dat je solder.
De helmet nou voor Toulouse, dan is het in 2 months is die, ja, that's not okay. So.
You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want.
There you go.
De helm die was normaal 164,95, maar die heb ik op 149 gezet.
Oké.
En de handschoentjes op 49. Dus dan,
Wat was dat?
I'm a happy little cutie.
Ja, helmet? Got it? Oh, I feel it. You're what?
I'm hungry.
Oh, this is the time and date, by the way.
We got the food.
God damn it.
Oh yeah.
Can you stop pushing me away?
Can you get out of my space?
No? So first you complain about me not calling you because it's fucking 79 degrees at night, and now... Okay.
We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away.
This one here got a new helmet.
Yay!
And she is happy!
Ah!
Most muscular Minnie Mouse you've ever seen.
Yeah, it is.
Throw away the trash. I'm a good house. I'm a good house mouse.
Now comes the fun part for you guys.
Subnautica.
Randonautica.
Aroma.
Okay, there was this app that started getting popular called Randonautica, and basically you put in your location and it gives you a random point to go find some stuff. There was a story of a group of teenagers who found a dead body in a suitcase.
So we're going for that, at least.
Okay, here's the app. It's hard to see, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. Anomaly, attractor, void, add-ons, whatever, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna do anomaly because I feel like that's creepier. Now, we just go to maps, I guess. And there's the location. Oh, it's actually pretty close.
Maybe press start, baby.
Turn left. Well, that's where it is.
All right, let's do this again. Found another one.
There's a new location.
Been here yet? I like this. Are we here?
Yeah.
Is it not in this forest thingy?
Yeah. So we just have to park and walk to it.
All right, where are we?
There's no axe murderer or something. It's this way. That way. Okay, well, as you can see here, we found the exact location. I'm literally probably standing directly on it, maybe just a couple meters off. I think this was a big fail, big fat failage. What? What? What?
Guess what?
What?
I fed the earth with energy.
Nice.
You know what happened?
What happened?
Nothing.
Let's go.
Let's go to full 20 miles an hour.
'Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. Oh, I don't know the thing. Oh, I can't. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
How do you feel?
I feel pretty good, but it's hot as hell.
I meant about the location.
Oh, how I feel about the location? Well, I mean, it's a kiddie playground. I'm not gonna answer it. Hello.
There you have.
Hello.
Oh,
Hey.
there you have it.
And now we're going to head home.
And eat spaghettis.
Spaghettis. I'm gonna cook spaghettis
Yeah,
for this Italian chickie.
that's me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This Italian
Oh,
Dutch
yeah.
American chick. You ready, Miss Nihold?
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Nyhold.
Oh
I've
yeah.
been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Honestly, I have no clue where we are.
'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes.
I did.
Hope it's not this time.
those first. Push the button. God damn, you look sexy.